Now in this picture, if you can see, this is basically a depiction of a Gracie curvet. Now what do you mean by this? Now in this you can see that this blade, and this is the standard one, and this is our curvet. So you can now look at it again. Sorry. Alright, now try looking at it again. Now you will see that in this one, basically you have a 50% shorter blade, and you have something like U here. So you have an upper U curvature. Okay, then this is how it's being used here. Just give me a second. Yeah, look at it, right? Then we'll talk about this. So these also you won't be able to make out in the exam, but however, this is a Hero Faraday Mini 5, this is a curvet, and this is Hartzell. Okay, then these ones are Langer curets. Now what is the thing about Langer curets is that it's basically a marriage between the Gracie and Universal. So what you have of Gracie is the shank, and of Universal is the blade. Okay, so this is what are Langer curets. Then coming on to this one. So in this so in this, if you see, these are our Mini 5 curets. Okay, wait, let me, yeah, so these are our after 5 curets. So in this, what's the thing that you can observe is you have an extra 3 mm shank. So you have an extra 3 mm shank. Now these are used for pocket depth beyond 5 mm. Remember this picture and this. Okay, now this, now observe the blade, like it's shorter, right? So this is our Mini 5 blade. This is half the length of blade of after 5. Why? To increase the access and decrease the trauma to tissue. Now observe this. This is the standard one, and this is our Mini 5. Do you understand the difference between the blade by the picture, right? Yeah. Then we'll talk about this one. So these are the micro Mini 5 curet. Now the difference is that they are like thinner. The blade is 20% thinner. Okay, look at the blade, it's thinner. Then it is also shorter. Okay, now look at this classic picture. Now in this, what I want you to see is this is basically, look at this one. So this is the standard. Now over here you have an extended shank, right? This is Mini 5, and here it is thinner. This is micro Mini 5. Alright, then these are diamond files. Like this is the characteristic, so you will remember this anyhow. So these are the diamond files. Okay, something like this, and then it has some like this. Okay, yeah. Then this is important. Now this you get as picture based questions a lot of times, and you can't skip it. So this is the Schwartz Terrier Retriever. Now in this has a magnetized tip. Okay, and this is the broken instrument that is getting attracted or magnetized attached to the tip. Now in this also, like you have a contra angle. This is like for furcation involvement, and long blade for the pocket. Okay, now this is a plastic probe, and you will use it for implants. Okay, then this is implant care. Okay, in scalers and curets. So this is, see, these are like pointed, right? So these are scalers. This is not pointed. This is curet. Now this is important, this is also a P by Q. So this is a wait, this one first. So this is a file scaler, and this is a chisel scaler. This was asked, so you should know this. Then this one. Now this is a titanium implant curate. Okay. Maximum curvature Langer, minimum curvature NEB something, and like mid is Barnard. Okay, just know the names. That's it. Then done this. Now this is very important. You can't skip this one. So this is our Quentin curate. Okay. Now in this also, like, you have BL1, then BL2. Now BL1 is 0.9 and this is 1.3. This is the larger one. Okay. Now then this. So this is the picture based question that is asked. So this is perioscopy, and see, look how we are going subgingivally and allowing the subgingival visualization in pocket and furcation area. Now look at this. This won't be asked though, but just know for the sake of completion. So this is a metal profile axis angle with rubber cup and brush. Okay. Now these are the perioscopy, periodontal explorers. Okay, remember this image. Then we've done this. Now this is same thing, but this is plastic profile axis angle with rubber. This is rubber cup, and this one is brush. So brush. Now see this. This is profile jet. This is basically a air powder polishing device. Now you should know what we use. We use NaHCO3 and sometimes alumina. Okay. Now this you should know. This is an ultrasonic scaler, which is magneto-strictive. This is also ultrasonic. This is ultrasonic scaler, but this is piezoelectric. Okay. Now this has linear pattern, right? And this has elliptical pattern. You need to know all the differences. Then this is our insert. Okay. So all of these are just inserts. We'll just quickly see. Yeah, so these are inserts. This is also an insert, right? So I think I've covered all mostly. Yeah. So I'll just briefly, yeah, so we've covered all of the pictures from the periodontal instruments. So if you found this video helpful, do give it a share, subscribe, and you can comment also. Thanks for watching.